Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy. My legs are really aching. I've been standing all day.
Well, there's an easy fix for that, Roy. Sit down.
No, sorry, I can't. I want to be at the front of the queue when we go to watch Rob's Biscuit Band tonight.
Firstly, I'm not going with you. Secondly, I think you've mixed up front of the queue with frontliner, which is a word we're talking about in this program.
Ah, right. A frontliner is a person who works in an advanced position. It's been mentioned quite a lot recently due to the coronavirus pandemic.
Yes, doctors and nurses who have direct contact with patients are sometimes referred to as frontliners.
Yes, because they work on the front line. Right, now I'm going to sit down, seeing as we're not queuing to be at the front of the line.
Yes, you should. Let's listen to these examples.
Ahmed is a frontliner and works in the hospital as a doctor, helping patients recover from diseases. Wellington's mother is a frontliner and attends many accidents as a first responder. Roberta always wanted to be a teacher growing up, and now she works in a school as a frontliner.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word frontliner. This is a term that refers to people who work in an advanced position during a pandemic, such as doctors and nurses.
They do amazing jobs. Sometimes they get referred to as frontline doctors and nurses or frontline workers. Many people see them as heroes.
Yes, these frontliners have been risking their lives to save people from the virus recently.
In the UK, a lot of people took part every week in something called Clap for Carers. It's now become an annual event where you go outside and clap to celebrate the difficult and brave work of frontliners.
And to all the people who listen to the English We Speak who are frontliners, a round of applause.
Bye!
Bye!